Have you ever heard of the rich and beautiful region at the northeastern of Lampung? An area that was formed more than 150 years ago? This is the untold story of Wiralaga. A hidden paradise that has amazing stories and interesting historical places to visit. Since time immemorial, this area has been known as a water area because its inhabitants utilize the river for their daily livelihood. At that time, the fisheries sector was more valuable than gold. In addition to its history, the area offers beautiful scenery ranging from its majestic rivers and stunning natural scenery to its cultural diversity and captivating history. Wiralaga and its beautiful stories will continue to spread like a novel that will never end. Wiralaga is not just a region, but a part of the province's history, an interesting history. This area witnesses the history of a Prince Muhammad Ali in shaping a set of life. Wiralaga will always make anyone who visits this area fall in love and fascinated with the beauty of the past, present, and future. Wiralaga will never be forgotten and will always be remembered.